Windows down, hair in the wind. You laugh once, I fall in again. Got my feet on your dashboard, singing wrong words to my favorite song. You tap time on the steering wheel like we've been here all along. Some paint your freckles in gold. You say stay till the sky goes cold. I say boy, I got nowhere to be, just you and this July breeze. Young feelings glowing on my skin. When you look my way, I melt and I give in. Summer secrets spilling from your grin. Neon feelings, neon feelings again. Cherry ice on your fingers, you touch my hand, leave a sugar trace. You talk low about nothing much, I get lost in the shapes your lips make. Flip-flops on the floor of your car, we're parked but my heart runs far. All I need is the hum of the air and your laugh running through my hair. Pull me closer at the red light, slow breath, slow time. Every little look is a green sign. Say my name like a soft rhyme. If this is just a Tuesday, why it feel like a dream? Stay, don't wake me. Let it replay. Windows down, sun on my skin. You lean in, slow motion, slow motion. You and me just floating. Every little touch got the whole world glowing. Slow motion, let the afternoon keep going. Caught up in your laugh, we don't care where we're going. Ice in my drink, feet on your dash. Talking in circles, we don't rush past. You trace my hands, small lazy lines. Time moves different when your eyes meet mine. Bare shoulders warm, sand in my shoes. You steal my shade, say they look good on you. We missed the turn, laugh it off easy. If this is wrong, leave me here daydreaming. Let it drip like honey. All this light on our skin so sunny. Every frame feels like it's forever. Hit repeat, staying in this weather. Sun on my skin, cool in the shade. You pull me in, I wanna stay. Ice in the glass, sweat on the side. Laughing too loud, you roll your eyes. Bare feet hanging off your porch, little gold chain swinging back and forth. Magnetic, feel slow burn. You pull me close, I turn. Lazy waves in my chest, you spark up all my nerves. Magnetic, feel slow burn. We got that sweet soft swirl, nothing rushes. Just this magnetic feel, slow burn. Just this magnetic feel, slow burn. Fan in the window, hums in time. You trace my palm, follow every line. Strawberry lips, that sugar talk. We missed the movie cause we love it slow walk. Magnetic feel, slow burn. You pull me close, I turn. Bruises in my chest, you spark up all my nerves. Magnetic feel, slow burn. We got that sweet soul swirl. Nothing rushes, nothing turns. Just this magnetic feel, slow burn. Feel slow burn. You say my name like you already know every secret I try to outgrow. Caught in your orbit, I don't wanna learn any escape from this gentle burn. Feel so sun on the sill, ice in the glass, bare feet on wood floors. I could stay right here, let the day drip past. Ooh, laugh in the kitchen, wearing my OT. You say I'm too quiet, but you lean a little closer to me. Oh, you're my quiet fire, slow burn, getting higher. In this easy light we glow. We don't gotta rush desire. Just your hand in mine is brighter than anything outside the door. Oh, oh, oh. Phone face down, world on mute. You dance on the tiles off key, still cute. You steal my cherry from the bowl I poured. I pretend I'm mad, but I just want one stolen more. Ooh, you're my quiet fire, slow burn, getting higher. In this easy light we glow. We don't gotta rush desire. Just your hand in mine is brighter than anything outside the door. Oh, little spark in your eyes, candle flame in my chest. We don't need big words to say we're blessed. Let the sky turn gold, let the record spin slow. If this is all we ever get, it's already more than we know. You're my quiet fire. Slow. Let it simmer like that. Slow, low heat. Let it simmer like that, simmer like low heat. Sliding barefoot on my floor. Big tea that I stole from before. Sweet tea sweating on the table by the door. You laugh, say you never felt this sure. Low heat, we ain't gotta rush this. Two hearts, one long day to crush this. Lay back, let my shoulder be your seat. We can stay right here, keep it on low heat, low heat. Talking till the sky turns peach. Your hand tracing circles on my cheek. Way too good, yeah, to ever hit the street. We can stay right here, keep it on low heat. playlist running, we don't know the names. Just vibes, windows open to the lanes. Sun drops slow, painting gold across your face. You say this right here, my favorite place. Oh, little laugh, little glance, little lazy sway. You say, girl, this feels like holiday. We don't need plans, we don't need a scene. Got a whole wide world in this one small room with your heat, low heat. We ain't gotta rush this too hard, too hard. One long day to crush this, baby. Let my shoulder be a seat. We can stay right here, keep it on low heat, low heat, low heat, low heat, low heat, low heat. Sun on my skin and you walk in, I'm grinning. Little half smile, I'm spinning. Don't know what you did, but I'm in it. Deep attraction, pulling me closer, chain reaction. Heart's relaxing, but my body's jumping into action. Deep attraction, didn't plan on any distraction. You're my favorite guilty passion. Deep, deep, deep attraction. Deep, deep, deep attraction. You lean back in that old cafe chair. Talk slow like we got years to spare. Stirring sugar while you hold my stare. I laugh too loud like I just don't care. Bare feet brushing in the grass outside. Your hand finds mine and it feels just right. You say my name in that low sweet light. I forget what I was saying mid-sentence, alright. Pulling me closer, chain reaction. Heart's relaxing, but my body's jumping into action. Deep attraction, didn't plan on any distraction. You're my favorite guilty passion. Deep, deep, deep attraction. Deep, deep, deep attraction. We ride home with the windows down. You drum time on the wheel, no sound. Street signs blurred, but I'm so tuned in to the way you throw your head when you laugh again. You steal fries from the side of my plate. Kiss my cheek while you say I'm late. I roll my eyes, but I slide your way, cause I like the little games that we like to play. Attraction, pulling me closer, chain reaction. Heart's relaxing, but my body's jumping into action. Deep attraction, didn't plan on any distraction. You're my favorite guilty passion. Deep, deep, deep attraction. Deep, deep, deep attraction. Got me humming your name on a Tuesday, swaying slow in the soft hallway light. Every little thing feels like a new day, but somehow safe, somehow right. If this is trouble, I like that kind. I like that kind. I take the risk if you're by my side, cause every time you look at me like that, I fall a little deeper inside. Deep attraction. Lay sun on the window. You slide in, say what's new. That lazy smile, that slow hello. Yeah, I've been waiting on you. Take off your day at my doorway. Drop your keys in the same old boat. Bare feet on my cool blue hallway. You spin, you laugh, you lose control. We got time, we got nothing to prove. Old film playing in the next room. Send a tangerine on your skin, that groove. Pull me closer, let the world move. Urban seduction, keep it in slow motion. You and me, we're waves in the calm of the commotion. Touch like honey on a midsummer afternoon. Urban seduction, let the night bloom soon. You trace hearts on my shoulder. Say my name in a soft half sigh. Your head on my favorite throw pillow. Street sounds fading, we're high and dry. Talking small things, talking big dreams too. Hand in my hair, my hands on you. Leave your phone where the daylight can intrude. Turn the volume of our silence up, smooth. Urban seduction, keep it in slow motion. You and me, we're waves in the calm of the commotion. Touch like honey on a midsummer afternoon. Urban seduction, let the night bloom soon. Dim light dancing on your collarbone. Sweet confession in a playful tone. You say, guess I kinda like it here. I say, baby, you live here when I'm near. Snap back, lean back, fall into my arms. Every little motion setting off alarms. But we stay easy in this room. Two hearts humming in a gentle boom. Talking about body language. Let your hands spell body language. We can stay right here, just translate. Body language. Ice clink in your glass, slow sway, let the time pass. You tap beats on my bare back, like you're riding me line after line. You pull me in, then let go. That push-pull I already know. You fluent in this soft code, reading you like a sunlit poem. Tell me what you want, but don't speak. Just come a little closer, let me read. Every curve, every breath you're taking is a secret you're bravely shaping. You brush my hair off my face, suddenly the room fades away. I'm learning you page by page in that sweet, slow, silent way. Body language, I hear every word you don't say. Every little move's my favorite phrase. Keep talking about body language. Let your hands spell out my name. We can stay right here, just translate. Body language, body language, body language. Windows down, skin in the light. You lean back laughing. I taste tonight. You pull up slow, still got sand on your floor mats. Take my bag, toss it right in the backseat. You say where to, like we ever really need plans. Your hand on the wheel, your knee on my knee. Little tan lines, little grape on your lip. You steal my straw, then you don't give it back. Every red light feels like it's on our side. I'm already gone, already attached. Late desire, when the sky turns tangerine and blue. You light my fire, doing nothing but it feels brand new. Let the day fade out while we stay in this drive. Late desire, you and me. Late desire, you and me, just feeling cry on the dashboard. You say my name like it's only awesome. How melting ice cream dripping down on your wrist. You catch it slow, then you offer a taste. Every low beat lines up right with my pulse. I'm falling again, falling in place. Let it float in the warm air. Your pinky finds mine like it's always been there. If this is all we ever are, riding circles till the stars show. That's enough, yeah, that's enough for my soul. Windows down, hair in the breeze. You laugh at nothing, then look at me. Ice in your drink, melting slow in the cup. That old blue hoodie, sleeves rolled up, street signs passing like frames in a reel. You tap on the dash, say this feels real. Midnight drive, got you by my side. Nothing but the road and your hand in mine. Midnight drive, all the stars align. We could ride forever, just your smile and mine. Midnight drive, cherry lip gloss, prints on the rim. You steal my shades and you try them on. Feet on the seat, singing off key. You miss every line, still perfect to me. Talk to me low while the red lights glow. Tell me every secret you don't ever show. If the sun comes early, we can still pretend this little highway never has to end. Midnight drive, midnight drive, midnight drive, midnight drive, midnight drive, sun on my skin, cold glass sweating in my hand. You lean back, laughing, say we got nowhere to be, understand. Bare feet on the balcony, ice cube melting down your teeth. You trace circles on my knees, say my name so lazily. Time moves like honey, drip slow, roll gentle on my lips. Heartbeats in an easy sync. You pull me closer to the brink, yeah. Velvet motion, side to side in slow devotion. We just floating, waves of you and me in focus. Velvet motion, every breath a quiet ocean. Hold this moment, let the summer stretch in slow spin. Yeah, that old fan hums in 4/4 time. Ceiling shadows dance across your eyes. You tap rhythm on my thigh, turn the afternoon into a high. Sunscreen, peaches on the plate. You steal mine, say you were late. Little freckles, little jokes, we burn soft instead of smoke. Whoa, velvet motion, side to side in slow devotion. We just floating, waves of you and me in focus. Velvet motion, every breath a quiet ocean. Hold this moment, crazy be with you. Sun on the blinds, coffee on the stove. You slide in close, yeah, we move real slow. Bare feet on wood floor, you laugh as you pull me in. Loose shirt, your old shorts, you spin me, my head begins to float on your shoulder. Time folding, losing track, tracing your name on your skin. You trace it back, intimate flow. We take it so slow. Let the daylight find us, tangled in this glow. Hands on my waist, heart in that place. Every little breath just telling me you know this is our rhythm, our secret tempo. Intimate, intimate flow. Intimate flow. Intimate flow. Intimate flow. Your hum on the downbeat, soft tune I can't forget. Kiss in the kitchen, your lips taste like peach and sweat. Dancing in half steps, just swaying, we barely move. You talk about nothing and somehow it all feels true. Turn the world on silent, let it wait outside. We can stay in this moment and let's slow time. You say my name once, say it again slow. Riding every second of this gentle overflow. Take it so slow. Daylit red eye finds tangled in this glow. Hands on my waist, head in that place. Don't get just telling me you know this is our rhythm, our secret tempo. Intimate, intimate flow. Intimate, intimate flow. Intimate, intimate flow. Intimate, intimate flow. Lay sun on the window, bare feet on the hardwood, ice cubes in a tall glass. You smile and it all moves slow. You lean on the doorway, wearing that old white tee. You say you got big plans, but you're staying right here with me. Should we step out, baby, or stay in this golden haze? Your fingers trace my shoulder, I already lost the day. Slow temptation, pulling me under the soft vibration. When you say my name like summer, slow temptation. We got all this time to waste, yeah, you and me, unhurried. Let the hours melt away. Record spinning softly, your hand finds a volume low. You laugh at my two-step, then you pull me close, real close. We dance in the kitchen to a song we have known. Your lips on my collar turn the afternoon to glow. Slow temptation, pulling me under that soft vibration. When you say my name like summer, slow temptation. We got all this time to wait. moving slow. Skin gold, you laugh. I know we're sending all the warm signals. Bare feet on the balcony, lemon on your lip from my iced tea. You talk with your hands, you keep touching me like you can't help it. Loose shirt hanging off my shoulder, your palm on my back as the air gets slower. We don't plan a thing, but it feels in order, like the world meant this. Signals running through my body like the midday light. Every little glance saying stay the night. You don't gotta speak, I can read your mind, baby. Warm signals drifting on the breeze when you say my name. Nothing ever rushed, but it's all the same. I'm already yours and you feel the same. Maybe blue bowl full of peaches on the counter. You steal every slice, then you lean in closer. Juice on your thumb, you say come get it off like it's a challenge. Playlist spinning, but we're barely listening. Talking about nothing, but everything's hidden. You trace circles on my knee, lazy rhythm. I match your pattern. You touch my wrist, that little tap, like you still here. I answer back with one slow smile, with one deep breath. We got our own language, curtains breathing in and out. Heat waves on the neighbor's house. In this quiet, we're so loud. Look what we're saying now. Sing up, sing up, love. Sing up, love. Sing up, sing golden tempo on your shoulder, sun on freckled skin. We move slower, ice in the glass still half full. Fan in the window hums low window. You tap your hand on my bent knee, say this groove fits you perfectly. Open shirt, my old perfume. Laugh lines showing up in the room. Your laugh lands right on the 2 and 4. We sway in place, don't need much more. Golden tempo, we're right on time tonight. Nothing fast, nothing forced, just your heartbeat on the mind. Golden tempo, let the daylight take its bow. We got all these easy hours, let the rhythm hold us now. Bare feet hanging off the couch, you sing the wrong words, way too loud. I roll my eyes, then sing along, turn every slip into a song. Fruit on the plate, sweet and slow, sticky fingers tracing down my throat. You catch the drip with a crooked grin, every small second feels like a win. You pull me closer by the wrist, count it off with a lazy kiss. 1, 2, breathe, feel that glow, we already know where this could go. Tempo, we're right on time tonight. Nothing fast, nothing forced, just your heartbeat under mine. Golden tempo, let the daylight take its bow. We got all these easy hours, let the rhythm hold us now. No rush, no race, just soft light on your face. Tick tock, take stock, we're rich in every taste. Spin me once and let me fall back into your arms like it's protocol. In this little room, in this warm cocoon, we're setting every clock to you. Golden tempo, golden tempo, tempo. shoulder. Yeah. You laugh, steal the blanket from my side. Say you're always cold, but you pull me in tight. Yeah. Ice cream melting on the nightstand. Your t-shirt hanging on my frame. Talking about nothing, making big plans. Changing the rules to every board game. You trace your name on my wrist slow, like you're signing for my heart, I know. Little circles on my skin, hush. That lazy, hazy, midnight touch. Midnight touch got me feeling like the rush. Every second on your skin, enough. Lay your heartbeat right on top of mine. Midnight touch, all the troubles turning soft like dust. And it's quiet, you're the only hush. Keep your hands on me, we'll stop the time. Midnight touch. Phone face down on the table. We got every reason to stay. TV talking in the background, but we're dancing in the pillowcase. Hey, your cheek pressed into my shoulder, reading stories I ain't heard yet. You say my name a little slower, like a favorite song you can't forget. You run your fingers through my hair, like you're combing out the day. All the noise, all the nowhere fades when you say my name. Let the neighbors hear us laughing, let the sunrise do its thing. We'll still be here, barely moving, just your touch and what it brings. Midnight touch got me feeling like don't rest. Every second on your skin, on the skill. Lay your heartbeat right on top of mine. Midnight touch, all the troubles turning soft like dust. And it's quiet, you're the only hush. Keep your hands on me, we'll stop the time. All this time we're giving, you laugh, I forget what I said. Bare feet on the hardwood floor. You dance while you're making coffee, humming that line from before. You say I make the morning soft, yeah. Got me swaying in your sweatshirt, hair up, sunrise on the sill. Every little look's a concert, heart beating steady, but it's still got that hidden rhythm under my skin. Yeah, you're living in it. Every touch, every breath, I'm listening. You moving, my soul leans in. You're my hidden rhythm, playing in the spaces, quiet in the kitchen. I don't need a reason, I don't need permission. You moving, my soul leans in. We ride with the windows low, back rows nowhere we're chasing. You drum on the steering wheel slow. I smile at the pattern you're tracing. Every glance a little offbeat, still it fits me like a glove. Even when we miss a heartbeat, we're landing right back in that love. You moving, my soul leans in. And then you breathe under my skin. Yeah, you're living in it. Every touch, every breath, I'm listening. You moving, my soul leans in. You're my hidden rhythm, playing in the spaces, quiet in the kitchen. Soul leans in. Don't say a word, just lean closer. Let your hands talk, spill it over. Every breath you steal from me turns into a new melody. After hours, we slow it down, slow it down. After hours, just you and me now. Sunset on your dashboard, bare feet on the seat. I sing along, your hand out the window, catching every breeze like it's our song. Laughing at the red light, spilling all the stories from your day. You lean in a little closer, say let's get lost, just drift away. After hours, we got nothing on the clock but time. TV's glowing, but we're in our own world having fun, sipping from one bottle, passing little secrets in a glance. Turn the speakers up a little, let the quiet turn into a dance. No plans, no pressure, just the rhythm of your heartbeat next to mine. Say, stay forever. We can press repeat on this whole night. Don't rush, let the sky fade into dawn so slow. If this is all we ever get, it's already more than we need to know. After hours, got nothing on the clock. Time, you and me, just easy, let your hair lay back. After hours, every little worry falls behind. Stay right here, right now, in the sweet, slow summer state of mind. Velvet nights, ceiling fans, slow dance. You laugh, I lose my plans. Just stay right here, bare feet on the hardwood, ice in a glass, slow clink, we sway. You trace hearts on my shoulder, like you got all day. Sunset on your t-shirt, colors still stuck in your eyes. We talk about nothing, somehow it feels like a high. Velvet nights, you and I in soft daylight, leftover slow groove. Time moves, but I don't want this over. Lay back, lean in, let the world wait outside. Velvet nights, in your arms I come alive. You hum over the movie, miss half the plot, I don't mind. Your head finds my heartbeat like you rehearsed it in time. Say, tell me a secret, I say I'm already yours. We both start laughing, then we kiss between the words. Ooh, pull me closer on the downbeat, baby. Tiny circles on my hand. Ooh, every second tastes like maybe we could do this all again. Same couch, same song, same lazy summer dripping through the blinds. Summer dripping through the blinds. Every breath you take and take from me, keep you wanting my still energy. You're moving through me like honey on a late July. Still energy. You're running through me, got sunshine sitting in my eyes. Hey. Air on the ceiling fan, orange on the window glass. You laughing in a big old t-shirt, feet in my lap as the hours pass. You talk about some wild dreams, I'm tracing letters on your knee. You say what you doing, baby, I say writing down how good this feels to me. Silk energy, you're my favorite kind of lazy, slow and sweet. Like you put your sugar in my tea. Silk energy, you turn my living room to ocean, rock with me. Tiny waves in every motion. Right. Phone buzzing on the table, we let it dance, let it ring. Who cares? Who cares? You mixing up that mango something, lip gloss shining, I just stare. You pull me by the finger, spin me in the kitchen like We miss a step and almost stumble, but somehow we land just right. Stay right here, let the day run out of time. Same old couch, brand new way you look tonight. If this is all, I swear it's more than enough. Just you and that slow on grow up kind of love. You're my favorite kind of lazy, slow and sweet. Like you poured your sugar